Okay, we have 40 seconds and 1 minute left until this bell is about to ring. I hope it works. It goes. It's just a car. I thought it was a church bell. It's just a car alarm. Oh, 1, 2. Oh, it sounds like the delatory clock. 3. I hear a ship. 3 times? It's 12 o'clock. Oh, 4. It's so slow. 5. Sounds like delatory clock when a monkey hits the bell like that in New York City. 6. 6 times? Come on, bell. 7. 8. Okay, you know what? I'm just not gonna count. I'm just gonna listen. We'll wait for 10, 11, and 12. Wow. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. 43 times, wow. It's not 43 o'clock, it's 12. Oh. Let's get Eleanor. That's strange. 43 times.